Hello, welcome. My name is macdaddyisdumb. Today we will be focusing on a mix-it-up tutorial for which channel point redeems. This is something fun for you and the viewers. Stay tuned. We're going to walk through this together. First thing you want to do is go to your Twitch channel point rewards, which can be found under viewer rewards, channel points, manage rewards and challenges. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and we want to add a new custom reward. For this one, we're going to call this one Wizard Party. For this, we're going to enter 200 channel points. Here is where you'd be able to add custom little icon that will show up on the Twitch channel point redeem. That happens on mobile as well as the website. Next, we will come down here and we're going to put a cooldown for 5 minutes. You don't want too many wizard parties right in a row. Otherwise, we're going to leave everything pretty standard. Oh, and you can also adjust the color of the background here. Because Gandalf is primarily blue, we're going to change that to blue. Cool. So we're all done there. The next thing you want to do is make sure you have a sound downloaded and a GIF. So for the sound, I went to myinstance.com. If you search for Epic Sax, that brought a bunch of different options. The one that I liked best was this one right here, so I clicked on this one and I downloaded the MP3. Searching tenor.com, I typed in Gandalf, and I liked the one where he doesn't have a background. So I right-clicked and saved it to my computer. After I did that, I put both of those in the appropriate streaming content folder. So I encourage you to always have a mix it up and streaming folder separate for your sounds, separate for your videos, separate for your GIFs, separate for your photos. This organization will help you in finding and locating these items in the future, as well as you don't have to worry about deleting them from your downloads folder. Additionally, if you have to back anything up onto an external drive, you can just copy your content folder to your drive and everything will still be there. So you don't have to play this hunting game later. So future you will thank you for your efforts for putting everything in the appropriate folders. Next, we will be opening Mix It Up. Then you want to hit the 3 lines, or as I like to refer to them, the hamburger menu. We click the hamburger menu, then we're going to scroll down here. Midway down the page is Twitch channel points. So we click on Twitch channel points. Now ignore all the stuff you see on the screen. These are all alerts and stuff that I already have set up through Mix It Up. However, down here is the button that you want to focus on. Since we just made the command in Twitch's dashboard, it's an existing command. So we want to add to existing rewards. So click this button here. Then under reward name, you want to choose the drop down. We're going to find Wizard Party. This is actually alphabetical, so we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and there it is. There's our Wizard Party. We need to choose an action. So the first thing that I would like to do is add a chat command. So we're going to do $user display name wants to jam out with Gandalf. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add an overlay, in parentheses, images and videos. So click this, and then we're going to hit the plus button right here. We're going to change this name. If you highlight the name right here, you can actually change it. And again, future you will thank you in case you have to come back and edit anything. So the first thing we want is the GIF, which is technically an image. So we will choose an image from the drop-down menu here. We will browse to our assets. And I'm actually luckily already in the GIFs folder, so I don't have to do much searching here, other than I need to find Gandalf. Here we go. We found Gandalf. And here is where you can choose your position of where it is to go on the screen. Personally, I like most of mine in the lower middle quadrant of the screen. So we're going to place it down there, and we can always adjust that later. Additionally, you can choose with the percentages here, or you can get very specific with the pixels. For sake of keeping things simple, we're just going to use the simple screen position right here. I'm going to wait on the duration because I'm not sure the length of the sound clip, but I will find that out here in just a moment. So the next thing that we want to add is a sound. Let's click on the sound and add that. We want to browse to our song assets. We've got sounds, and here's my epic sax guy. Now hovering over this, that actually tells me the length is 15 seconds. So that's what I needed to know for the GIF right up here. So now we're all done with the sound. And we're going to put the duration for Gandalf as 15 seconds. The last thing that we're going to do is add a little text on the screen. So we want, again, overlay images and videos. This one we are going to call text on screen. And then we're actually going to copy the exact message here from the chat message, and then we are going to paste that right here. Let's make this blue, and we're going to give this a shadow of black. I'm going to make it bold. Let's make it big, and right now it's set to the center of the screen here, so let's shrink this all down, and we're going to hit this preview button down here. This is going to run the entire command. So let's see how it looks. And it actually told me that I messed up, so I forgot to add a duration for the text on screen. That's one thing I love about Mix It Up, is it does not let you hit save on something like this if there's an error that it knows you're going to create. So let's test out the command now. That was pretty epic, I'm not going to lie. One thing that I would like to adjust is I would like to actually make Gandalf a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go check the size parameters, and I think we're going to double it. So it was 496 for the width, and it was 206 for the height. So now that we've increased the size of Gandalf, we're going to see how this looks. Oh, there we go. And there you have it. We're going to hit save. And I'll bring this over here to show you guys. It popped the text in the chat. And there's our wizard party right there. Now, if you wanted to get super cool, you could get a little wizard symbol for the Twitch channel point, maybe even a Gandalf symbol. And yeah, you could really have some fun with it. So that is a basic Twitch channel point command. Using Mix It Up, we added a GIF, we added a sound, and we added some text on screen as well as a chat message. We will be doing more tutorials for other items in the near future. So stay tuned, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and feel free to check out my links in the description below. My name is macdaddyisdumb, and this has been a Mix It Up tutorial. We'll see you guys next time.